So this question was asked recently in NEET 2025, and we have to find the total current flowing from the battery, and the formula for total current flowing from the battery is I is equal to V by R equivalent. So V is already given, which is 5 volt, and the equivalent resistance of the circuit we have to find. So first thing you can see, there are total 5 branches, 1 2 3 4 and 5. So this may be a problem from Wheatstone-Bridge principle. First, let's check whether the Wheatstone-Bridge condition is correct or not. So you can see this resistance is 5, this resistance is 3. So on this side we will get 5 by 3, and on this side it is 2.5 divided by 1.5. So 2.5 divided by 1.5, which one is also 5 by 3. That means the Wheatstone-Bridge principle is valid and there will be no current flowing through this resistance. So we can omit this part. Now it is very simple. These two resistance are in series. These two resistance are in series. So its equivalent will become this one. So 5 plus 3, it is 8 ohm. And similarly, these two will be in series and it will become 2.5, 1.5. So it will be 4 ohm. Now you can see these two are in parallel, so the equivalent resistance of 8 ohm and 4 ohm will be, so it will be 8 into 4, 8 plus 4, 12 to 4, so it will be 8 by 3. So this section equivalent resistance become 8 by 3 ohm. Now this 1 by 3, 8 by 3, 1.5 and 5.5 all are in series. Therefore R equivalent is 8 by 3, 1 by 3, 1.5 plus 5.5, and if you do the calculate, this value become 10 ohm. Therefore the current flowing from the battery is V by R equivalent. So V is given as 5 and this equivalent is 10 ohm, so is 0.5 ampere. So this is the correct answer.